welcome back! So today is actually super exciting for me because my school is going to visit the integrated laboratory of the University of Riau. And in today's video, I'm not only going to show you around the lab, but I'm also going to explain to you 15 laboratory equipment, including their names, functions, and also an experiments that use them. So without any further things to do, let's moving on to the video. As soon as we got there, we were taken to a room for a quick introduction about the lab. They explained about the laboratories available, stories about the university, and also the faculties that they have. After that, we were split into a few groups, and each of group followed a mentor to explore the lab more closely and see the equipment in action. And now, we are in the first laboratory, namely the microbiology laboratory. Here is the first equipment that is called as the PCR bubble. It is designed to provide a clean air environment for the preparation of PCR reagent. It is supplied as standard with a HEPA-filtered air inlet and UV decontamination lamp. This tool is used for molecular biology labs, particularly those involving DNA or RNA. And this can be used to provide many different types of safety or controlled environments required simply by using additional components to change the function of the enclosure. The next one is pH meter. It is an electronic analytical instrument that measures the hydrogen ion activity in a solution to determine its acidity or alkalinity. Experiment example using this equipment is commonly application include acid-base titration, buffer preparation, water quality testing, and also soil analysis. Here is a hot plate that is an electrically powered device with a flat, heated surface designed for safely heating, boiling, or stirring liquids and samples both in laboratory settings and for cooking. And common application using this equipment include chemical synthesis and testing material thermal conductivity. They are also used in biomedical studies to assess pain response in rodents, the hot plate test. Now, we are in the spectroscopy laboratory, a lab that is a specialized facility that analyzes the composition, structure, and physical properties of materials by examining their interaction with electromagnetic radiation. One of the equipment in this laboratory is called micro XRF. It used to determine the elemental composition, typically sodium to uranium, of small heterogeneous or irregular samples. And do you know, art conservation analysis use this equipment to analyzing paints and pigments for authenticity or restoration purposes. Next, they have Raman microscope. It is used to provide detailed chemical imaging and molecular identification at microscopic scales. One of the experiments that use this equipment that is the forensic science and art analysis. Non-destructive analysis of pigments, dyes, and inks on historical artifacts to identify, authenticate, or restore them. Good morning, guys. Hi, guys.
Hi.
We're in the MBGL, the Molecular Biology Genetics and Laboratory. But we're still waiting for the other groups to out. It looks so pretty, so wait for us. Wait for. Hi. Today's outfit check. We're wearing our pin. Show off your pin. And also we wear our clothes, madrasah clothes. And our glasses, of course. Hi, Alma. Outfit check. Outfit check. Mister, saya dengar loh, Mister. Iya. Kansa, nakalisa yung kansa sih. Tadi malam.
Ayo, ayo, ayo.
Yuk.
A few moments later.
Finally, guys, we are at a third place, that is the Molecular Biology and Genetics Laboratory. It is a specialized high-tech research facility dedicated to investigating the fundamental mechanism of life by analyzing DNA, RNA, and protein interaction. This one called as autoclave. It is a machine that uses steam under pressure to kill harmful bacteria, viruses, fungi, and spore-on items that are placed inside a pressure vessel. This equipment is used in some experiments. One of them is sterilizing culture media. Before growing a microorganism, agar plates and liquid nutrient solution must be sterilized to ensure no contaminating bacteria or fungi are present. Next, we are in the Analytical Chemistry Laboratory. Here, they have the mass spectrometer, a laboratory device used for analyzing gases by reducing a sample to low pressure, ionizing it and separating its components based on charge-to-mass ratios. This is used in some experiments such as this is diagnosed. Used in clinical settings to analyze peptides for diagnostic and monitor drug therapies. Next, they have the gas chromatography, a common type of chromatography used in analytical chemistry for separating and analyzing compounds that can be vaporized without decomposition. One of the use in food and beverage analysis. It analyzes flavor and aroma profiling, analyzing volatile compounds in essential oils and beverages. And for your information, the price of this equipment is really expensive. Now, let's go to the basic biology laboratory. This laboratory means for students and lecturers in the learning process through practicum and research activities to produce competent graduates in the field of biology. Any facility dedicated to and equipped for scientific testing, measurement, and analysis. The equipment that they have in this laboratory is called microscope. It is to magnify and resolve or distinguish many details of specimen too small for the naked eyes, such as cells and bacteria, by using lenses to bend light or electrons. One of the experiments that use this equipment is including observing cell biology, such as onion cells and chick cells. Next, identifying microorganisms in pond water, examining insect parts such as wings and legs. And the last one is analyzing material textures like fibers, salt or sugar crystal, or feathers. Now we are in the Electronics and Instrumentation Laboratory, a specialized facility for designing, testing, calibrating, and troubleshooting electronic circuits, sensors, and automated control system. One of the equipment that they have here is called oscilloscope. That is mainly used as a test and display voltage signals as waveforms, visual of representations of the variation of voltage over the time. Common experiments that use that equipment include measuring amplitude or frequency in circuits, determining RC time constants, analyzing signal waveforms, and evaluating sound wave frequency.
So, hi guys, we're during the break. I mean, like, it's not break time, but because they're
Take too long
take too
time.
long time, so we need to take a break.
We can eat right now in the lab. I thought that we cannot eat in this lab, but yeah, they allow us to eat.
the end of my vlog for today, guys. First of all, I would like to say that I felt so much honored to get the opportunity to visit this laboratory. And thank you so much for all of the sister and brother, and also all of the mentor there that accompanied us to get more knowledge about the lab and equipment. And here is some of the lab that we also visited as well. We're finally done! It's a wrap, guys. We already visited a lot of laboratory. I think it's around 10 laboratory or only 9.
Can I join?
Hi! Boom boom. Wow!
Our situation right now.
So stressed. We get the first inning.
We got the first row, guys.